Hey Pisces, welcome to Oracle Empress Tarot. Welcome back if you are returning. Today we will be checking your vibe to see how you vibing, as well as getting other messages from Spirit. So be sure to stay tuned till the end. If you're looking for part 2, I'm sorry, I'm looking out the window. Part 2 can be found on YouTube. The link is in my bio. Please also subscribe to my channel in case there is a YouTube ban. All the full videos are located there. Pisces, if you don't know, you should already know. If you're rocking, I'm rolling. Let's go. And your vibe is number 36. Shine bright like a candle. You will make it through this. I don't know. Please excuse my lighting. You may feel like something is going on and you just don't see no way out. Spirit is saying, like, maybe you need to light a candle. Okay. Thank you. Bottom of the deck, we have take time out. Recharge and rest. This is your energy. You may be resting and rejuvenating, trying to recharge your energy, Spirit. Thank you. And we have begin writing. Some of you are writers. Some of you may have been experiencing writer's block. Some of you may want to send someone a text message, an email, a letter. You want to create, express, or inspire. I'm sorry. All right, bottom of the deck, we have open to love. I like it. You are now becoming open to a relationship, a passion, a fulfillment of yours. You are open to love now. That's your vibe, Pisces. Pisces. What is Pisces vibe? Check their temperature. There we go. We have number 27. Painting the roses red. You are covering up errors. So, it may be a mistake that you made that you're trying to fix here, Pisces. And you may just write someone, text someone. Bottom of the deck, we have number 29, find the lesson. Discover the purpose in a situation. Trust that you are learning. So it's something that has happened that you need to figure out why it happened. To find the lesson in it. It's a lesson in a situation that is transpiring with you, Pisces. Something that you're trying to cover up. Something that you're trying to fix. Spirit. Whoa. All right. We have trust. It's almost as if you are transforming from this butterfly, from the caterpillar to the butterfly. You are trusting the process, Pisces. You are definitely unplugging, isolating. Some of you are on do not disturb, in hermit mode. All right. It's like you're being told to just rest, reflect. You have mirror at the bottom of the deck. Some of you are self-reflecting, trying to find the lesson in it all. Okay. Spirit, can I have Pisces vibe, please. Thank you. You are most certainly healing from something that has happened, that has you isolating, unplugged from the rest of the world, not wanting to be bothered with nothing and nobody, because you're in this healing state, trusting that all will transform for the better, trying to find a lesson, yet wanting someone to rescue you. It's almost as if you're waiting for help, assistance. Can't help but notice what's next is Judgment. Libra energy for me, as well as Capricorn. There is someone you are codependent on, someone you feel trapped to. This is a lot of toxicity. And right, we keeps it moving around her. Let's take a look at your person's vibe and how they feel about you, Pisces. Spirit, show me how Pisces person feels about them. Show me Pisces person's vibe. What type of time are they on? Okay. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Virgo energy. This is the slowest knight in the deck, but they do get where they need to go. You see, he's not even on a horse. This person is taking the sweet old time because they have gained their power back with strength. Leo energy. Spirit, give me the energy of this person connected to Pisces. How they vibing when it comes to, thank you. Well, Pisces, they are not happy. And it's Nine of Cups reversed energy. They're not happy at all. And it could be because they want some type of new beginning with you. With the Fool. And they very well could be ready to take some type of risk to make it happen. They are putting down their lying, cheating, deceitful, manipulative ways with the Seven of Swords reversed. Aquarius energy is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Let's clarify these energies of your person's vibe. Let's get into this Knight of Pentacles, this slow moving, methodical energy. Spirit, why is this person? Thank you. And it's all because, listen, they coming. Somebody, and this person may live at a distance from you, Pisces. They may even live across a body of water. They may even be a surfer. But they are ready to shorten this distance because they feel left out in the cold. They feel like you have shut them out. And you have, because you are unplugged, you're silent, you ain't got shit to say. Okay. Spirit, why is the Knight of Pentacles this person's? All right. Yep, we have Judgment reversed. It's almost as if they don't want to be judged when they come back. Libra energy. They may not want to talk about what happened as much as you might want to, because I'm getting hurt from you. Bottom of the deck, we have the Six of Pentacles reversed. They may feel like things were not balanced. There was no equal give and take. And that could have caused them to be in some type of head fog. is the Knight of Pentacles here for this person? Whoa. Okay. And there you go. The Moon. This person is very much in their feelings, drowning. Feeling like they're drowning in their feelings. What? They in their bag hard, trying to become untrapped, trying to escape their thoughts. With the Eight of Swords reversed. Let's get into this unhappiness. This person is very much so unhappy. Spirit, why is the Nine of Cups reversed here? Show me clearly. And it popped out. And I seen this when I was shuffling. Strength. This person is, while in this unhappy state, regaining their strength, Leo energy, after they walked away with the Eight of Cups. For whatever reason, this person felt like they needed to walk away. But now it's almost as if they're trying to come back in slow because they unhappy. Because they feel like you're not paying them no mind. They want recognition, victory, success. They want things to work out. You could be dealing with a Leo. Bottom of the deck, we have the Page of Pentacles reversed. There is some type of delay. Possibly, I'm feeling like someone here is blocked. What in the? Spirit, tell me more about. Whoa. And we have the Hierophant reversed. You could be dealing with a Taurus. This person has pulled back, possibly because they felt like you were non-committal, because the Hierophant is all about a spiritual, committed relationship. We also have the Seven of Wands reversed. This person may have felt like they lost when it comes to you. This person may not even, this person is trying to gain their strength back. This person may feel like you went cold on them. And it has them in an unhappy state. Not even wanting to fight for it no more. With the Seven of Swords reversed. At times, but then it's like they have an aha moment. Like, this is my person. I'm about to jump off this fucking cliff if I have to. Because I need to be with Pisces. They go back and forth. Which is why they taking so long to come. It's confusion, indecision going on here. Bottom of the deck, we have Death and Rebirth. They don't want this shit to be over. Pisces, Scorpio energy. Which is why they about to jump off the cliff. Spirit, this person is like hot and cold. Very well could be a Virgo with the Hermit. This person is an overthinker. This person could be isolating too. Thinking about how they're going to come at you. Thinking about how they're going to get their family back. You could have children by this person. I feel like there once was some type of commitment that they want back, which is why they about to jump off this cliff. Can't help but notice the Devil reversed. This person is putting down their toxic ways, their addictions, their obsessiveness. Feel like they're working on themselves too. Spirit, tell me more about this Fool energy. Whoa, okay. We have the World. This person feels like you complete them, Pisces. This is fixed energy. Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo energy. This person wants a new beginning with you. Once again, this is distance, travel. In the bottom of the deck, we have the Ace of Wands. This person wants to light that flame again. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Leo, Aries, or a Sagittarius. Someone who you felt like was fun and exciting. Their energy was infectious. They want that old thing back, and they very well could be writing texts and deleting them because they're on and off. Spirit, let's get some straight talk for you, Pisces, from Spirit. Spirit, what straight talk do you have for Pisces? But it's like you have pulled back from this person. You're healing. You really don't have much to say. You've unplugged. Whoa. All right. You have depression. This whole situation could have sent you in a depressive state, Pisces. You could be feeling like you need to throw the whole relationship in the fucking trash. Okay. Because it's too much of a trouble. You need to put the close sign up and leave it there. A cycle needs to end before you get motherfucking angry. Okay? Somebody piss you off. You're trying to heal and mind your business. But you're also trying to correct something with this painting the roses red. Spirit, what other straight talk do you have for Pisces? Can I have some straight talk for... Thank you. Yep. You feel like something has been a life lesson. Once again, you do have find the lesson. And I feel like you're finding, or you have learned a lesson. I feel like you've thought about it, you've questioned it, and you are very much ready for whatever. Something could have been fake news. Spirit, what straight talk do you have for Pisces? Show me clearly. What straight talk do you have for Pisces? Pisces, feel like you got to express yourself in a written form. You are very much ready to begin writing something to somebody. You are very much in this positive vibe energy. Some of you may want to go to the beach, chill next to the ocean, and think about, you believe that something, or Spirit is telling you that something is a bad idea, or you are seeing something for what it is. You're learning a lesson, and whatever questions there has been, should I? The answer is yes. Yes. Begin writing. Yes. Begin correcting your errors. Yes, continue to heal. Yes, continue to unplug. Yes, continue to trust, because Very well could be drama on the way. Okay. Or you have been dealing with drama. Spirit is saying it's time to look at the front door. I'm looking at the front door. When it comes to a situation and a person, it is time to close shit out because they are nothing but drama. Spirit is saying they are a bad idea. And you ain't on that. You learning your lesson. And you in this positive vibe energy. Let's get a money message for you, Pisces. Spirit, what money message do you have for Pisces? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, if TikTok is banned, you can find all full videos here. What money message do you have for Pisces, Spirit? I am available for personal readings. The information is in the description box below. You have the past. Something from the past is coming back. I'm sorry. Something from the past is coming back. Perhaps an old job or an unfinished project. Look at the past to understand the future. A lesson, an experience, or an old skill. You could have been earning or receiving money from something you did in the past. So what's something that you made money from in the past? You might need to revisit that. Spirit is also telling you that something from the past is coming back. Bottom of the deck, we have laborer. Your hard work will be rewarded soon. Keep it up. Construction, maintenance, painting, or any kind of labor work will be right up your alley. Don't be afraid of hard work. With loss, won't come easy. Okay, so you may need to get in there and get dirty to make some money. Put in some work, some sweat. But it's something from the past that is coming back. It could be a job. It could be a person. Something from the past that you did regarding money you need to revisit. Something from the past is needing revisiting. Whoa. I mean, y'all better be glad I don't got my bell. And your practical message is soulmate. The divine will provide you with love when you are ready. You are not ready right now. You are healing. You're isolating. You're painting the roses red. Bottom of the deck we have, do a 30-day challenge. Force yourself to do something new for 30 days to form a new habit. Oh, I like it. And lastly, to close out, Pisces, let's get you a guided message from Holy Spirit. Spirit, what guided message do you have for Pisces? What guided message do you have? Whoa. Okay. You have number 30, Sun. Open your heart to the enormous growth ahead. Oh, I like it. Bottom of the deck, we have number 23, Owl. There are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transformation. Whoa, and I feel like you feel it and you in the thick of it. That is all that I have for you at this time. Till next time, bye now.